129 minus 43. So, may question si Mary about borrowing. What is your question?
Why does 2 borrow from 1? Even though it's gonna turn to 3, but 1 went to 0, so he died. So how can he ask to give me my 1 back because 2 borrowed it and 2 is a liar?
What? Your question is the 2 should be 1 lang. Kunwari, magiging 3, ganon.
Yes, it's true.
Magiging 3 lang dapat siya kasi nag-borrow lang siya ng 1 eh. Pero bakit naging 12? Pero itong 1, naging 0 na lang siya, nawala na. Ganon ba ang gusto mo sabihin? Ha?
Mama, are you that kid that when you put 1 plus 2 is 3 and then instead you said 12 because 1 and 2 is 12?
Kasi sabi sa math class, ganun eh. Magiging ano siya, parang madadagdagan siya ng ang tawag dun? Parang 10 points, ganun. Yung 2 magiging 12.